Hey, what is up, guys? It is Taquan here, and this is some gameplay that I recorded right before going live playing Texas Chainsaw Massacre. I hope you guys enjoy.
Let me be Leland.
What you want to be Leland for, bro? Because
She Leland.
Hey, hey, my
He got that ability to knock them niggas over.
yeah,
Mm-hmm.
I was watching that shit on TikTok.
Which one of these women y'all think look the best? Definitely not Connie. She look crazy as shit.
Oh, she don't, yo. Stop, leave my character
Anna
alone,
look
man.
good. I like Anna little skin color. Julie look like she drink.
Like she don't
Hey,
suck.
Boodle.
Hold on.
Hey, Boodle, if he next to you, it's some we could stab these motherfuckers, yo. With the loose
How you do that?
bones. You gotta pick up the bones that's on the ground.
Yeah,
I was
you can
watching a whole
stab
clip
him.
of that shit today.
Me
Yeah,
too.
we could stab the ass if we get behind them. It'll stun them.
Yo, I hope y'all good at this shit, man.
I never
we're not
escaped
like
all
you.
my life.
You never escape.
We're great.
And we could spam this shit.
Yo, don't yo, it's gonna make noise, yo.
Oh,
It's
you can
gonna
hold
make
it. You can
noise
hold it, yo.
regardless.
Somebody told me the other day that you could hold it at the beginning because yeah, they still got their cussing going.
Yeah.
How long they cutscene is, though?
At least like 2 seconds.
You're still alive.
Money, she'll thick ass off that rope.
Monster rope, bro. Why the fuck you ain't help me down?
Open up that other one.
What's going on?
I'm like, come on, yo. They cutscene definitely.
Who I'm
long.
with? This Kevin? Kevin, that's you?
Yeah, it's me, yeah.
It's latches on the doors. Come on, man. We going down here. That was just a distraction.
Hey, you trying to get us killed and shit?
Yeah, if we making noise, Joe, you don't want to wake up granddad.
I know that. Fuck is it? Are we getting that?
Money, how we stab these niggas? You talking about with these bones?
Come on, bro. Why the fuck you keep
You
making
pick them up,
noise?
you get behind them, you could stab it. Yeah.
God damn.
Oh man, make noise.
No.
They on me.
Oh, God. Is this...
You left me over here, bro? Alright.
Come down that hall. Come down that hall. Where you at, nigga? What you
Right
at?
here, nigga.
Hitting them bones. I hear somebody. That's you.
Trolling, yo.
Well, that fucking leaf scared the shit out of me.
Yeah.
Straight stole that hoe. Want somebody up there.
Fucking watch out!
They still
His bones, I ain't trying to walk through that bitch.
Here, I'm cutting them down. I cut them down. Come on.
Was that the rocks falling?
Hey, hey,
Yeah,
hey.
come on, nigga.
Shit. Watch me, watch me.
Who that is? Oh, that's one dude.
Oh, that's them?
That's us
Yo!
too. That's both of us.
And we all finna hit that box right there, yo.
I call next, yo. Stop pushing.
Hold on, be quiet.
Yes, yes, yes. Please, friend.
I got a tool.
Please.
I'm gonna
Damn
get
that
down these
motherfucker.
traps though.
Make noise.
No, yo. Alright.
Where the door
Yeah.
at?
Oh, yo, you know what I'm finna do, nigga?
Yo,
Sorry,
stop,
no.
bro. It's a door right over here.
They're here.
Which one of y'all got the one that could
Shush,
lock?
shush, shush, shush!
Oh, no.
Get a nigga thing going on. I got one of the pick locks and we're gonna open this door.
Oh, he coming. He here.
I don't know. Are they really gone?
I hit his chainsaw, bro.
I don't hear no fucking chainsaw. Who this is? Right
Fuck,
here?
yo. I gotta turn the
That's
music
me,
up.
Yeah, I do hear it. Come on, come to this door.
Right now. Oh, a nigga?
Did you open the door? That shit made
Yeah.
noise.
I know. No shit.
Come on, yo.
If we get a shank or
Come
something.
on, he
we can
coming, yo,
stab
go!
his ass. Come on. Shut that shit.
Sucking dick.
That shit.
Bro, where y'all go?
He hiding in the house.
Hiding.
Oh, motherfuckers.
I was
shit,
scared
no.
as shit, boy. I thought the killers were mine.
They on their way.
Somebody, yeah.
He coming, yo. That's him hitting the bones, cause we none of us is downstairs, yo.
Yo. Stay still. Turn that fucking
I'm
light off.
stab this bitch.
Shh, be quiet, be quiet. No, nigga. You think they would have caught me if this shit was real life? Nigga, I'm taking my shoes off and catching feet off this bitch.
Hey, someone's getting ready to come to that door. To the left. Seen someone walking out that way. Through the window, through one of the doors.
The motherfuckers, you
So who
coming
going
over
live
here?
stream?
Yo, go the fuck back
on.
over there.
Who gonna live stream it so I can watch, yo?
I feel like we good right now, yo, because the yellow shit.
Tiberius, I'm not live streaming, but I'm making a video right now.
Oh, you want me to be quiet?
Yeah.
Come on this way, yo. Come on this way.
I might be able to break those locks now.
Yo, I don't want to be in the back, yo.
Come on.
Oh, that might be what Grandpa is.
Focused on.
You know, yo, we can go to the
Hey, go
front
Shane
door.
Grandpa, yo. Go, yeah, go
No,
Shane Grandpa, yo.
No, hold on. We can go to the front
No,
door.
no,
and get
chill
the
out.
fuck
One of
out
my
of here.
side, right
When you-
outside, right
when-
outside, look. At the window, yo. Look at him running out the window.
Alright, so look, yo,
All right,
close
bro,
that
let's
door.
get the fuck
Alright,
out
sure.
of here, though.
Y'all see the fuse right there on the wall?
Yeah.
Okay.
Come on, get that fuse.
What it do? Somebody take
Get
it.
the fuse.
I
Yeah,
can't
get
get
that.
away.
My shit's stuffed.
Thing.
Hold on, he
I
coming.
got it.
Dummy.
Oh, shit.
Dummy.
He seen us through the window. He seen us.
Okay.
Oh no, he didn't. They think we outside.
You got this.
They're not even feeding that bitch.
Damn.
Oh, we went to the chicken.
My fault, yeah.
Mm-hmm. Fucking my man tweeting.
If we get the fuse, right? Who took the fuse?
I got it,
There's
I got
another
it.
fuse over here on this side.
You know where the fuse box at, Kevin?
No.
It's upstairs in the house. Where you at right now? Oh, that's you right there with Shorty with the jeans on.
Who the fuck?
Right here.
Yo, where did y'all go? Oh, who this?
Oh, we're going
Damn.
upstairs.
Y'all going upstairs,
Be
yo?
careful hitting these bombs right here. Yeah, that's where the fuse box at.
And
Cut
do
them
this.
bones,
You
yo.
scared the shit out of me coming from behind that coat.
Cut the bones, yo.
No, not that way.
Stay focused.
It's the steps right here, nigga. Leave that door.
I got the front door unlocked, yo.
Leave the
we
lock.
can get
Don't
fuck
open it
outta
though.
here.
Don't open
We
it.
can get the
Don't
fuck
open
out
it.
of here.
Don't
bro.
open it.
You gotta get another pick lock.
Yeah. Come on, we gotta find.
I just
They
unlocked
not
the front
feeding
door
us
so we can
old
get out of
bitch.
here, bruh.
In God's name.
Can we leave directly out the front?
Yeah.
Like run out the like in the street.
Yes.
Can we?
Bro.
Well, go out that bitch and see then. Go see.
Yeah, go ahead.
All right.
Who hit the fucking
Requires
bone?
unlock tool. Yo, they just locked it, yo. What the fuck?
They in this bitch down.
How the
Oh,
fuck did
can't-
they just
can't
lock that
it after you
bitch?
Unlock it.
I just unlocked it. Must be time gated, you motherfuckers.
This way, Kev.
Should have went.
Box.
Fuck is they dad
Who else
at?
came upstairs with us?
Me. I'm up here with y'all.
On the fuse box hanging up on the wall. You let them know. Oh, yeah, it should be back here somewhere. Fucking door right there.
Yo, did y'all go upstairs? Oh shit.
Shit, bro.
Where the fuck that fuse box?
It might be in different locations depending on the house, yo.
Fucker told me it's always upstairs.
Oh shit. Y'all went upstairs, yo?
Yeah.
Who the fuck triggered the bones, yo?
One of them.
This must be something right here. Let me see. Y'all niggas get ready to run, yo, if this shit make noise. Oh, here you go. Come on, Kevin.
Where you at, yo?
Where you at?
I lost you. I'm by the stairs, yo.
This might lead to the
By the
others.
stairs. What steps?
Oh, it's
Come
right
on.
here, bro. The fuser's right here.
Yeah, I opened it. I just opened it. So look, when you pitting it on there, right? You get on there. Turn that little ass light on.
Dummy, I think he up here.
Watch out!
Yeah, he up
Look,
here.
you on that? Hold on, Kevin, get on there. Got you. I'll knock his ass down.
Just
All right, so
think.
look, you see the numbers right there. Is it
Yeah.
like 17? All right, so look,
It's like, so green and yellow they gotta make that number.
nah, yeah, you got to pit whatever equal up to that number for real.
Where y'all at? Are y'all still
Upstairs.
upstairs?
Yeah.
He's up here.
Or not? It's gonna light up yellow
he
when
is.
they on us.
Yeah, it's gonna light a
He
yellow
on
when
me.
he on us.
Nigga on me then.
Oh yeah,
Oh,
they
yeah,
up here
yo.
now. Oh, he seen you.
Oh, he's shutting that shit
Breaking
off.
that
too.
bitch down. Good shit, kid. Hey, make our way to the basement. I see it say basement exit open, right? Go through the cracks. Come on, this way. I don't know where the fuck I'm going, but come on.
Go ahead, John. Right behind y'all.
Steps right here. Nice, man. Y'all right here with me, right? Come on. Where them niggas at? You downstairs?
He waiting.
Yeah, which way y'all special ability is?
Mine's just the lock. Unlock shit faster.
Why won't be
Kevin, what's this shit?
Something was running, I don't know. You on the
Oh, you
stairs,
down
yo.
there? Yeah, chill out right here. Chill right here.
go away, damn
When
it.
he get a little distance, then we gonna go downstairs, alright?
Y'all know where the basement is from here?
I'm good.
Yeah, as soon as we get to the bottom of the steps, bang her right. Come on. Stay still. Stay still. Are we good? Everybody with us? We gotta find that fucking door, gang. The exit door is open. Oh shit. Hold on, wait. Exit door is open.
Front, always.
Oh, you scared me.
Is that where he's at?
They coming.
Please, I need to be careful. You might still be near us.
Y'all following each other, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I mean, close that bitch. Oh shit. It's the door right here, yo. Yo, what?
Yeah, get that. Need that.
Face to face with the killer right now.
People like
Yo, we got bone nods right now, bro.
I'm face to face with a killer right now. I'm
Where you
looking
at?
at his bitch
Cause all
ass
three of
over
us
the
are together.
table.
Where you at?
And I found the exit door, but they closed that bitch.
it's not great, but it's something.
Shit. Yo, where the fuck? Who is this that I'm with right now?
It's Kev.
Where'd you go?
In the bone scraps.
No, where you at, Taiwan?
Trying to fucking leave.
Where the fuck you at, yo?
You had to go through the. It's like at the front gate. You had to go through
Damn,
the
he
house
just
first.
did he just get someone?
Nah, he's fighting back. He's fighting back. Shank his ass, yo.
Bitch.
Hey yo. Fuck.
I got all the heat on me, yo. Y'all gonna have to find your own way out.
Yeah, back through that front fucking door. Need a toolbox. Be good to move.
Come on, did you just leave me, yo?
Yeah, I went to the left. Right here.
All three of them niggas is on me. Both
All
of 'em.
three?
Two.
Alright. Hey Kevin, you trying to escape through the front door, yo?
Go ahead and do that shit.
I don't know what this
Alright.
is. It might work on those
Come on.
doors.
They locked the front door.
Yeah,
I thought you broke the lock.
I did, and then they put a lock back on there.
You gotta
That was
break it
what-
again.
That was the one. That was the one guy right there, Kevin.
Yeah, here on the door.
Yeah, you
Yeah.
just shut the door again.
Yeah, he locked it up. Fuck.
they beating the shit out of me, cuz. I'm tired of this bitch.
Hey, Kevin, do you have a tool?
There should be
I got
a
a shank.
window. I'm assuming you're on the house. There should be a window to the right. If you're in the
No,
house.
I couldn't find that motherfucker. They was on my ass.
Man.
Just beat the shit out of me with a fucking candle. Oh, that's a
Oh
broomstick.
shit.
It's like in the dining room.
Oh, who the fuck was that? What the fuck? Hey, tell me where are you?
Back upstairs. I
Oh,
was
shit.
about to leave out.
There's someone down here with us, Kevin. Don't move. I just seen that motherfucker, bro. Oh shit. Oh, what the fuck?
Oh shit! Kevin!
I bled the
Man,
fuck
no.
out.
You recovering?
Fuck!
You heal up there when you get up.
Damn. Damn.
Wow, yo. He was fucking Kevin up when he was sliding through them cracks.
He shouldn't be able to hit you when you go into the crack.
Yeah, that nigga could track footsteps, yo. E.O.P.
Yeah, they can definitely
Yeah,
hit me
who
through the
can smash
fucking
stuff
slide
like
through the
that?
cracks, yo.
If you're going through them,
Dang.
they shouldn't be able to hit you. Usually they're vulnerable when you go through them, but once you get out of
Nah, I definitely got cut the fuck up.
it, no. I don't know really.
We definitely should have just took the front door when we had the chance, yo.
I don't know
Wow,
why
yo, the
I did.
nigga was out that bitch. All three of them was out there.
Yeah,
Fuck it.
man.
I mean,
Yeah,
no, but
three
that's
of
four
us,
of
three of
us.
us would have
Yeah.
died. One of us would have made it,
As
yo.
long as you get to the door, you're good.
Damn.
It was fucking the right trigger to stab his ass in the back.
Hey, Tiberius, you there?
X.